On March 31st, 2023, an officer conducted a traffic stop on Jamesha Martin for a tinted tag cover. During the stop, the officer learned that her driver's license was suspended. Instead of arresting her, he decided to give her a break by only issuing a ticket, and he instructed her to have someone else drive the vehicle. A short time later, the officer left to assist on another traffic stop. While making a U-turn after being advised that assistance was no longer needed, he saw the same vehicle drive right past him. To his surprise, Jamesha was back behind the wheel. See what happened next on bodycam footage.
J24 flagger, 1050.
That's natural, Steve.
Gonna be at the 282 southbound Minnesota, Kilo Bravo Sierra 650, KBS 650, White Nissan. J24 flagger, terminator down. So we didn't want to stay?
I can't afford to.
Okay, no worries. No worries. I'm gonna come talk to you. Yeah. Alright, go ahead and step out.
My friend's gonna come.
Okay, go ahead and step out. Ma'am, step out of the vehicle.
I can't afford to go to jail.
Well, unfortunately, you made the decision to drive again. Step out. Step out. Out of the car.
I'm getting out. Like, I don't have to do that.
Ma'am, let's go. We're not on your time at this point. Get her off the highway. Get her off the highway. Female 1015.
2337.
Walk back this way.
Can I get my phone?
No, not yet. Walk this way. Just lean your back against the car.
Copy. What y'all thought I was gonna run?
Well, just in case. I mean, you decided to drive again anyway. I cut you a break by just writing you the ticket, but you decided to drive. He was clearing up a stop. I left him, did a U-turn, and looked at him as I was going by. Her car is literally getting on 95, and I'm like, all right. So I called him. I was like, hey, I'm getting back to 95, so.
There's also a phone right here. Yeah.
Yeah, so because the amount of cash you have, I'm going to count it in front of you just so you know how much you have here. So I'm going to count all this in front of you in just a minute, and then we're going to put it in an envelope and it's going to go with your property, okay?
You could have left it inside my car.
No, ma'am, this amount of cash is going to come with you. I'm not going to leave that in your car for there to be debate about what happened to the money, okay? All right. Sir. Why'd you take off driving?
Huh?
Why'd you take off driving?
I mean, I have my little baby at home. The babysitter's been waiting on me. I didn't have nobody. I don't have nobody. I would have had to wait probably about 2 hours. My dad has to work in the morning. I didn't really want to bother him.
What's your name?
You got an envelope or something, bro? Or no?
Yeah, okay.
Ma'am. Hello? She speak?
Yep.
She understand English?
Yep.
What's her name?
It's like Janisha or something like that.
I'm just trying to know so I can get my address. That's all it is. Trying to be respectful.
Can you get the key out of the car?
Huh?
Can you get the key out of the car?
They need the key for the tow.
Those my dad keys, but also if you don't see my house keys, I need at least my garage opener because I'm not gonna be able to get in my house.
Where's the garage opener?
It's either in the middle in the cup holder or up on the visor. Excuse me,
Ma'am,
I can't use my phone to let my sister know I'm going to
I
jail.
can't hear you.
I can't use my phone to let my sister know I'm going to jail.
Once we get there, they're gonna let you get the number out and everything.
Would I be able to make a long distance phone call?
Yeah.
Proceed to the room.
Because I know I paid a ticket, but I didn't know I had to do anything further. So it's 2 other tickets that's from Hillsborough while I'm suspended?
I don't know what they are. It just says failed to pay a fine. It could be a ticket, it could be a toll thing. I don't know. It depends on what they issued over there.
Jamisha Martin was ultimately charged with driving while license suspended with knowledge and resisting an officer without violence. She later claimed that no one was coming to pick her up, which is why she decided to drive again after being told not to. What would you have done in that situation? Would you have called an Uber, or would you have risked driving like she did? If you found this video informative, make sure to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage and true crime content.